But I just wanna celebrate.
3, 2, 1.
I just wanna celebrate. 'Cause it's a good day, good life.
2022, please be nice.
All night.
Guys, it's the last day of our quarantine today and also last day of the year. It's New Year's Eve today, so it's really special and I can't wait to go outside and quit my self-isolation that I've been doing since 10 days. And I'm sure you can already make out that I'm feeling so much better. So let's just head out. Why are we even talking here? I can't wait to go outside and get some fresh air. Let's go. Very important. Oh my god, it feels so nice to be out. And I'm out. Gosh, it feels so nice, especially getting this fresh air more than anything. COVID really makes you realize the importance of being outdoors and getting fresh air. Glad this is over. But since it's the last day of the year, I just wanted to get a quick breakfast, something special. I didn't want to have eggs. I've been having eggs every day. As you know, that's what I eat for breakfast anyway. But I just came out to get one of the best croissants that you can find in downtown at this place called... Wait, I'll just take you there. By the way, this is a really nice bagel shop as well. What a bagel. You should definitely check it out if you're in downtown. I'll get one chocolate chip cookie and one egg croissant. And guys, since I got some expensive breakfast for today, I'm just going to grab my old Tim Hortons for coffee. One medium coffee, 2 milk, 1 sugar, another medium coffee, 2 milk. Okay guys, there's one thing that I've realized. Just after walking for a kilometer, not even a kilometer, I'm already feeling a lot tired. I think the weakness is still there, although the other symptoms are gone. But yeah, this weakness is going to take some time. So I should not exert myself too much and take it slow. Now it's time to have breakfast. And guys, I don't really like cookies, to be very honest, but this cookie is an exception. I'm not even kidding. This is one of the best chocolate chip cookies I've ever had, and you have to try this. And now let's taste this croissant. It's so buttery and soft. It's literally melting in my mouth. Good stuff. And now let's give coffee to Siranj. He's also back to work. He's not taken a shower.
I haven't taken a shower, so sorry guys.
Ignore him. Just take your coffee.
I'm taking it easy today.
Okay.
The last day of the year.
Yes. Guys, after finishing the entire croissant, I can say it's good, but it's definitely very expensive. Like $8 for this croissant. I think it's a bit too much. I've been to this place before and I've had their plain croissants and also cookies. That's what they're famous for. But this, it's okay. Not bad. So since I'm feeling a lot better now, I'm actually back to my work as well. Well, I did not even take a break. It was kind of a break. I don't know if I can call it a break because I did upload a video, 2 videos actually, during my quarantine period. But anyways, it was not like full-fledged work, you know. So now I'm back at it. I have to finish this vlog today. And by now you must have already watched it. I'm actually talking about the Christmas vlog. I really want to upload this video on the last day of the year. That's the challenge here. So I'm just going to get to my work and I will see you after that. So work will keep happening, but we also need to fill ourselves up. But before that, I really want to thank you all. I can't express how grateful I am for you, for this community that we have built. Because during my COVID time, so many of you reached out to me on Instagram and wanted to help out by sending homemade meals, and as much as I wanted to just take meals from all of you, to be very honest, but I just felt I didn't want to bother anyone. But there were few people who really insisted and actually sent me meals. So let's do a special shout out for each one of you, and specifically for Harman, Ankit, Priyanka. They are my friends, but also there are few people who I haven't met in my life ever. People who watch me, who have subscribed to my channel all the way, came to my place. So thank you again, Laksha, Swati, Vineet, Radhika and her family for sending yummy comfort Indian food to our place. I can't thank you enough for this, and also to each one of you for sending all the wishes and prayers. I think we got better because of all of you guys, and I'm really sorry if I missed any of your messages because it's just too hard to go through all the DMs. But anyways, it's lunchtime and my fridge is fully stocked with all the meals. So thanks to HelloFresh for sending me this. They were kind enough to send me all these meals so that I don't really have to go for my groceries during this time. So I've got a bunch of stuff, and for lunch we are going to make North African inspired falafel and green couscous with veggies and creamy harissa sauce. And to be very honest, I have kept all the recipes from the past orders because whenever I'm in a recipe rut, this is really helpful. So thanks to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video, and let's start making a lunch. So HelloFresh is a popular meal kit service that is delivered right at your door. Every box comes with easy step-by-step recipes that are actually fun to cook. And the ingredients are all fresh, seasonal, pre-portioned, so there's less wastage of food as well. And if you're someone like me who spends a lot of time just wondering what to cook, HelloFresh has you covered. They have so many recipes to choose from each week, featuring different cuisines and techniques to keep you on track of your balanced eating goals. So guys, it's time to eat now. I always love their falafel meals so much. Too good. And you know, one more advantage of using HelloFresh is that I actually learned to cook so many new things. Like for example, this couscous, I've never made it myself, but this is the first time I made it. And now I'm obviously going to make it again. So I'll just finish eating this meal, but you can go to HelloFresh.com and use my code PIKA16 to get up to 16 free meals, including free shipping. And if you haven't tried HelloFresh till yet, this is the time to do it. I promise you won't be disappointed. Guys, I just wanted to come here again and talk about this cookie. One tip, just warm it a bit and you will thank me for this. This is too good. You have to try this, okay? Time to explore this. Never gets over. But I've been sitting here since morning and it's almost evening. Saransh also finished his work and he's taking a shower, and it's time for me to get ready as well because we are heading out. I mean, we deserve it after this 10 days of isolation. I'll tell you where we are going. We are keeping a very low-key New Year's Eve, but we're still doing something. So I'll just get ready and see you after that. So we're all ready, and like I said, we're just keeping it low-key. So we're just heading out for dinner.
It feels so nice to be outside after 10 freaking days.
So we just took the streetcar and heading to an Italian place. I'll tell you what place is it once we get there.
Super duper excited to try some Italian cuisine.
Next stop, Young Street, King, Central and exiting.
How does it feel to be outside, Saransh?
It feels amazing. It's not even cold. It's 6
Yeah.
degrees right now.
Yeah.
Come, let's go.
So guys, originally we actually had plans to literally party tonight. Before Omicron happened, we had already booked a table for like around 10 to 15 people. But then obviously Omicron cases started rising here in Ontario. So we cancelled that. And then guess what? COVID happened to us. So obviously there was not even a plan to go anywhere out of the house. Just yesterday we thought we'll just order in some food, just order some pizza and watch a movie. But that's what we have been doing since 10 days in our quarantine. So we thought we have to at least get a meal outside if nothing else. And all the restaurants are at 50% capacity here, so it should be fine. And just yesterday when we started looking at all the restaurants, there was nothing available because everything was fully booked. So this was the last minute reservation that we just got at this Italian place. And we have reached La Bitola di Tironi. This is a really popular Italian place here in downtown. We have not come here. We have been to Tironi, but not to La Bitola. This is also owned by Tironi, so I'm hoping it's going to be good. So let's go. And we are here.
It's such a cozy and a very warm place, and the best part is there are not a lot of people here,
Yeah.
so it's cool.
And now let's see what we order. Obviously, I have to get pizza on the last day of the year, so yeah, we just ordered pizza to start with. Cheers.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Yummy.
Looks yummy. Whoa.
How's it?
I think you forgot. I can't taste anything. I can taste nothing. It's zero.
I completely forgot Saransh can't taste anything. And that's why I told Saransh there's no point going outside because I'll be the only one who'll be able to like really enjoy the dinner. But then he was like, at least I can experience it, so that's fine. And honestly, I'm just telling him the taste of the sausage and everything to him so that he can just imagine and have it. But this is so good.
Oh, this looks tasty.
And we're out.
Oh, I'm so full.
Full?
Yeah, what plans now? What are we doing?
We have to go to Harbourfront because
Yes.
there are fireworks happening here in downtown Toronto
After
after
2 years.
But there's still 3 hours to go for that, so obviously we'll be heading home because there's not much to do, and also we are not in a position to really do anything. Otherwise we would have gone out and grabbed some drinks.
I don't mind.
Not now. Not now. Not after COVID, sorry. So we'll just head home then.
I actually wanted to go full on this time, but unfortunately because of COVID, we can't do anything.
This is literally the party street of Toronto here in downtown.
Called the King Street.
Looking at the scene here, there's not much happening. People are just having dinner. That's pretty much it. But I'm sure there's going to be a lot of rush near the harbourfront when the fireworks will happen at 12. But it doesn't really feel that I'm losing out on something tonight anyway.
Sad. It's pretty dead.
Yeah, it's sad. But it's better to stay safe than sad.
Stay safe
Stay
and be
safe
sorry.
than be sorry. There's nothing happening here in downtown.
Sad.
Yeah, it's so sad. I really hope 2022 is the last year of the pandemic. It's been 2 years that we've been living in downtown, but it feels we have not seen the downtown life as yet, right?
We have seen the downtown life, but we're missing out on the nightlife.
Yeah.
The hustle and bustle at night.
I know.
Yeah. Sadly, that's fine. Hope 2022 has something really good for us.
Yeah, hopefully. 2022, please be nice for everyone. So guys, we came back and I did my work for like an hour. It's almost 12, it's 11:15 and we are going to the harbourfront. Hope we see fireworks because it's all foggy outside. Let's see how it goes. Let's go and watch fireworks and welcome 2022. Okay, so now I see a lot of people outside because I think everybody's coming out from all the bars and restaurants. Everything got shut here at 11 actually, so it's 11:30 and everybody's heading home. No, actually, I'm sure everybody is heading to
everybody's-
Harbourfront. Look at this, so many people, and it's 11:45.
There are hundreds of people around the waterfront right now.
Yeah,
Thousands probably.
1 minute
1 minute left.
to 2022.
To 2022.
Let's do a countdown.
Wait. Let's wait. It's not 10 right now. Wait.
9,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year! Oh, we can see the fireworks now.
Chin up, babe, tomorrow's a new year, little darling. Old Lang Syne and all the other cheers. Chin up, babe, tomorrow's a new year, little darling.
Do you see all this?
Yeah, there are so many people who came. There are like thousands of people who came to watch the fireworks, and the fireworks was a flop show, guys.
Don't say a flop
It was a
show.
flop show. First
I
of all,
mean, you can't really
first of
predict the
all-
weather, right? It
But
was
it's not
really
about the
foggy.
weather.
So, obviously, we couldn't really see the fireworks properly. But it's okay. But it's okay. Something is better than
and the
nothing.
crackers were bursting like very far away,
Yeah.
like on one corner of the waterfront.
Right? Yeah, we thought it would be closed, but it wasn't
Yeah.
really. But there's so many people around, guys. Okay, I think we should just head back home
Yeah,
now.
yeah, it's better to just head back home and wear your mask.
Yeah, wear your mask. What's happening? What's happening, Sarah?
People are unnecessarily honking.
For the first time, I've heard so many honking on the street. It's a New Year song by everyone. There's not really much happening, so it's this. Can you hear it? Oh my god, people are dancing there on the street. Happy New Year! Ranch is hungry.
I got a little bit hungry. I got sushi for myself.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this was our New Year's Eve for 2022. I hope next year is not the same. And we are like in a big group wishing everyone a happy new year. But anyways, a very, very,
very
happy new year to all of you. A very happy 2022. The only thing I wish for everyone is that everybody's out of this stupid pandemic.
Yes.
We don't want
That we
more
want.
of Omicrons and Romicrons and Tomicrons anymore. So yeah, that's what I wish for. And have you guys made any resolutions, by the way? Well, I haven't made any resolutions as such, but the only thing I really want to do is, maybe that's a resolution, I really want to eat healthier.
I have a resolution.
What?
Even I want to eat healthy, work out, and plan for my future.
I mean, that's what everyone has to do.
No, not
anyway,
everyone.
so
Not all the time. My first 2 years in Canada, I never wanted to plan. I just wanted to have fun. 2022 is a time to plan stuff.
okay, then
For
it makes
future.
sense. And also, let me know in the comment section, guys, what are your resolutions for 2022? I would love to hear that. And that's it. I'm just going to end the vlog now. We're almost home. So I'll see you in the next one.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year once again. Mwah.